1.5 years locked inside these four walls. No malls, no school, no friends, nothing. This 1.5 years in my life has made a change. I learned many things which I didn't before. Computer became my school, and I also was very much uncomfortable during the beginning of lockdown. But I kept on engaging myself with new ideas and activities. Some of them are like book reading. I love book reading now because mainly even during the physical classes or physical school I love to read books, but now when I'm locked down, when I'm sitting inside home, I was feeling very bored and I started reading books. So book reading now is my one of my hobby, and also I have a library at my home. Library doesn't mean a lot of books inside a big cupboard. It is just 3 to 4 closets in my cupboard, can say like that. And also I have books of some authors like Sudha Murthy, Enid Blyton. I am now fans of them. I started reading their books. Some books I got as gifts and some I bought from stores, reading those books. First I got them as gifts, but then I read them and I liked it. Then I started buying it and keeping it in, and started keeping it inside my library. And Famous Five is one of my most favorite book, and I just love reading it. Then another thing is crafts. I love doing crafts. I loved also. But now in lockdown, I started searching in YouTube for mini origami and for other crafts, and I started doing them by seeing those videos. And it was a success, can say like that. And also the only thing, the sadness was that we needed more glue and paper, etc., and these all things were more unavailable during the lockdown. Then cooking was like a little bit of failure, but we can say, we always say that that failure is the key to success. That is why I kept on trying with the help of my mom and grandma, and I also started referring to various YouTube videos, and I made many small dishes, not very big ones. And but the thing was that the vessels got burned and the ingredients got wasted. Then I stopped doing it. Now the next thing is drawing. In lockdown, I started referring to various internet sites and also some YouTube channels, and I started drawing. Now I have many drawings with me, like pencil strokes, like can also be paintings. I can see some progress in my drawing skills also. This actually helped me. Despite of all this, I still miss school. And however, internet and screen time has also some disadvantages, uh, like screen time. When we watch lot of mobile and electronic gadgets, our eyes, not only eyes, especially for kids, related every organs related to eyes, they are it is not good for us, because the light that comes from those electronic gadgets can really affect our health. So we need to minimize our screen time. And the second one is physical activities. Physical activities means we have physical activities in our school, still it doesn't have the quality of being like having face to face interactions with the teacher in school. Some children cannot understand these physical activities. Not only physical activities, some sort of teaching they cannot understand when it is when through online classes. So the physical classes are very much important in students life. And also we are looking forward to open the schools, and therefore we need to increase our physical activities. Even though we are at home, we need to do more exercise. Children used to go down for playing before, but now due to this pandemic, that has also decreased. Now the third thing is personality development. We know that personality development is only formed when a person mingles with other people. For example, if kids go daily to school, they are mingling with teachers, students, and some other people also, outsiders. So when they are mingling, they come to know various things, and also it will help them to talk much good in any speeches or anything other like that. That helps them in personality development. But now, because they all are sitting in home, that has decreased a lot, especially in online classes also. Children don't talk much. So it has and like for example, this has bring a halt to personality development. So online and offline classes both have disadvantages and advantages. We need to take the advantages and preserve them for having a better future education. Thank you.